The Showcase Day was jointly organized by ITABIA, Italian Biomass Association, and CNR IBE, within the scope of the EIMA Agricultural Machinery Fair, owned and managed by Federunacoma, the Italian Federation of Agriculture and Forestry Machine Manufacturers. The fair is held in Bologna, central Italy, and normally attracts hundreds of thousands of visitors, thus providing an ideal stage for broadcasting any messages from branches. ITABIA obtained from Federunacoma an open-air space where biomass technology could be demonstrated live. That guaranteed high visibility and reasonable safety for the public invited to attend the demonstration. The guided tours were designed to explain the logics behind the demonstration, the process types being demonstrated, the technical characteristics of the machines on show, the benefits of biomass, and the goals of the Branches project. The goal of the Showcase Day was to demonstrate the capacity of innovative biomass supply technology that was considered especially suitable for mobilizing biomass under the conditions that are typical of Italian forestry. In particular, the forwarder Novotny LVS 720 may offer the ideal compromise between compact dimensions and production capacity. The current trend of forwarder technology is towards increasingly large, powerful, and productive machines. Use of those machines allows a dramatic cost reduction, but their deployment in Italian forestry is hindered by their large size, which is often incompatible with the limitations of the existing access trail networks. With its 7.5 T payload capacity and 2.2 meters total width, the machine demonstrated by Novotny may offer the ideal compromise and assist with affirming modern mechanization in Italian biomass operations, to the benefit of higher competitiveness and lower site impact. The same compromise concept applies to the PTH 4070 model chipper, demonstrated by Pizzolato. This new model is about 1/3 larger than the standard 300 models, but still compact and cheap enough for acquisition by small logging companies, and not just specialized contractors. That may help equipping the large number of small-scale Italian contractors with their own chipping devices for direct short-chain supply of small-scale local users, while still achieving a high enough productivity for cost competitiveness. Finally, the third machine on show was an innovative log splitter designed for splitting very large logs into a variable number of pieces, simply by acting on log feeding speed. The new machine represents a reaction to the recent wind-thrown events occurred in northern Italy, as a consequence of climate change. Therefore, the salvage strategy applied to those trees generally aims at recovering timber from all parts that have not been degraded by defects and breakage, while turning all the rest into industry biomass, generally chips. Since firewood generally obtains a better price than chips, it would make much more sense to turn base-degraded logs into firewood if an efficient and relatively inexpensive machine was available, which is what Pizzolato now offers to their customers.